Hello and welcome to Henry channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to default app settings. Yes, so if they've been changed and you want to revert back to the Windows app settings, the original factory as it came, then stay tuned and I will show you how to do this in Windows 11. Let's get started, guys. In the start search box, type in settings, then go to apps and then go to default apps. Scroll all the way down. This is the one you need. Reset all default apps. Click on reset. Okay. Everything's been reset now, so it's back to default apps. I hope this video tutorial has helped. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And of course, I will catch you on the next one.